This is why American people are so fat. This is the reason American people are as big as an elephant, as fat as a hippopotamus. This is the reason. Look at that. Americans can't control themselves. They stuff anything in their face and then they wonder why they're so big, fat, just like a hippopotamus, as round as an elephant, as porked out as a pig. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. I found the gold pot at the end of the rainbow. Oh, God, look at this. There we go. This is the diabetes heaven. This is sweet. This is the stuff. This is the good stuff. Oh yeah, this is the good stuff. Oh God, this is the good stuff. Make no doubt I love this stuff. It's just that this is why Americans are like 900 pounds.